Hello, juniors. This is Mr. Seitz. I'm with Mr. Hardman here. We are extremely excited to roll out our SAT plans to you so that way we can make sure that we have the best possible scores for each individual and for the school. We're going to be rolling out some incentives here in the next week so that way we can make sure that we have great encouragement from all of our teachers and all of our students. That way, all of you can sit down when you sit to take that SAT and be confident in what you're doing.
And the biggest thing is we want to give you as many ways to be able to help you to get ready. We're going to have an SAT YouTube channel you can access anytime, your Google Classroom. You're going to get a lot of emails from me. I mean, I'm going to make announcements, all the stuff there. The teachers, the math teachers have worked very hard to try to help you. You're going to see people like Mr. Seitz work on math problems like this, and other teachers and also students to try to help you. All we ask you to do is to try your best, because we're looking for what kind of improvement are we looking for?
So we need for all of you to have an 80-point increase from your PSAT that you took in the fall until your SAT now. If we do that, we will reach our goals of getting a certain percentage of students at or above college ready on the benchmark.
And 80 points is truthfully not that much. I mean, it's not that much. So, and the big key is about showing working with your teachers. I mean, the junior Eagles, we're trying to give you everything we can to be able to try to help you. Now, we'll also, me and Mr. Burkhardt, some of the teachers, will have some times before school or after school or even during school. We're going to have some tutoring sessions and show you. I know Jamie Rayburn, Miss Rayburn, is going to be working on strategies on how to help, not just the problem, just getting ready for the SAT and everything. So if you have questions, please let us know. We're going to start it next Wednesday, first hour, and then accordingly it's going to go, and we'll set the schedule to you, and the teachers will have everything. And, this is a new thing for us, but we're trying the best we can to try to help.
And I think it's important that you understand that. So you're obviously helping the schools. We've talked about in our class meetings last week is that all of the SAT scores are now how schools are graded and judged. But more importantly, for you individually, the SAT will help you if you're trying to get into college. It can also help build those skills if you maybe aren't going into college. And then it also is a bucket for the graduation pathways.
Right.
And so it's really important that you take the time each week to work on your SAT skills. That way, then when you sit down at the beginning of March, take that test that you're ready to go.
And we're going to add stuff to your YouTube channel and Google Classroom of all different, not just here at Adams. I mean, we're going to find stuff that's been worked across the country, put it on there. So it's going to be all at your disposal anytime you want to do it. And you can work on these problems. The same problem Mr. Seitz is talking about, after we do it, it's going to be on your Google Classroom. You can go back to it and at any time. So everything's going to just be like a punch away. So you can be able to get it. So the big thing is about the incentives, like you said. I mean, we will give fill out that incentive form, right?
That's right. Yeah, fill out that incentive form that we sent you last week so we can have a better idea. And then we'll get those rolled out next week to you.
So that's our quick thing right now. So Mr. Seitz, 1, 2, 3, we'll say the same thing. All right. 1, 2, 3, go Eagles!